Hello everybody, Teacher Yaz here. Today is the first lesson in my 12-week course and we are describing food. So, let's begin. Okay, so we can see a lower level band 5 or band 6 answer. A lot of students will say the food was nice and they would describe the restaurant as simply good. This is not very descriptive language, is it? So, why does it limit your score? Well, it's too general. Nice, that is not descriptive. If something is good, that is not descriptive. It is not using precise vocabulary. And it doesn't show any lexical, vocabulary range. You need a range, and you need to show off a range during the test. So, you need some vocabulary and maybe one or two expressions. Describing taste. Of course, most people know delicious, but delicious is already better than nice. Right? You can qualify the word delicious with absolutely delicious. The food was absolutely delicious. How about the word flavorful? Flavorful. What does it mean? It means it was full of flavor. There was lots and lots of different tastes in the food. For example, an Indian dish called curry. It was really flavorful. I loved the curry. It was really flavorful. You can also say it was full of flavor. Flavorful, just flip it, full of flavor. Or you can say it was packed with flavor. It means lots and lots of flavor put into the food. Now, if you didn't like something because it didn't taste very flavorful, it will be described as bland. Bland. Oh, there you go. I'm not a fan. The chicken was bland, so not much flavor. Okay, let's talk now about texture. Texture. That means how does the food feel in your mouth when you are eating it? The food can be tender. For example, meats. If cooked well and for a long time, the meat can be tender, which just means soft. You can also say, it melted in my mouth. This is an idiom we often use. It was really tender and beautiful. It melted in my mouth. How about something crispy, like crispy chicken? The skin, when fried or deep fried, can be crispy on the outside. It makes, when you bite, it will make a sound. This is crispy. And chewy. The sweets were very chewy, just the way I like it. Yes? Chewy means not soft. You must chew a long time. So, tender has an opposite, chewy. So, how about describing the restaurant? Okay, because that is part of describing food, really. It is the food and the atmosphere. How does it feel in the restaurant? Well, you can have a cozy atmosphere, which is very good. If it's cozy, this is a positive word. It's my favorite restaurant because of its cozy atmosphere. Cozy means nice and comfortable. It feels good, like home. You can say the staff, the workers, were attentive, right? The staff, workers or waiters were really attentive, so I gave them a good tip. means you paid them a little extra because they were paying attention to you. And professional service. So the food is great and the service is professional. Okay? That means the waiters or waitresses are well dressed and clean and polite and efficient. So the service is professional. So that's a lot of vocabulary. Now let's look at a comparison, right? Band 6 versus Band 7. So here, Band 6, maybe someone says, I went to a restaurant with my family. The food was nice. The restaurant was good. Okay, but there is no range. Let's look at Band 7. I went to a small Italian restaurant with my family. The food was absolutely delicious, particularly the homemade pasta, which just melted in my mouth. The atmosphere was cozy and the staff were very attentive. This is a high-scoring answer. You have used a lexical vocabulary range to show off your English. You've used an idiom, okay, and you've kept the sentence structure complex, not so simple. So, how about you practice? Rewrite this sentence. The food was nice. Okay, pause, write, and I'll show you the answer. Okay. You could have said, the meal was absolutely delicious. Or, the dish was incredibly flavorful. How did you do? Okay, see you next time for lesson 2. Bye now.